Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today in this tutorial video, we'll learn how to log in to Rocket Lawyer. So open your browser, click on the URL and type in Rocket Lawyer. Now click on the first link. This is the homepage of the rocketlawyer.com. Now on the top right corner you can see two options, sign in and sign up. If you want to create a new account you can click on sign up, and if you already have an account click on sign in. Now you need your email address and your password, so type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and you can recover your password. Now click on sign in. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any confusions. Thank you.